we are going to land in Kota Kinabalu. It's an island with three countries: Brunei, Indonesia and Malaysia. It's one of the main cities. Other side of the island, not with the land.
Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, kita telah mendarat di lapangan terbang antarabangsa Kota Kinabalu. Bagi tujuan keselamatan anda, dikehendaki bagi penduduk segi syarat papan kanta digledar, diparamkan dan pesawat berhenti sepenuhnya. Berhati-hati ketika ke ruang penyimpanan di atas dan pastikan tiada barangan anda yang tertinggal. Anda dibenarkan memenuhi bibit selepas tanda isyarat papan kanta digledar dipadamkan. Sebagai peringatan, ucapkan terima kasih kerana memilih bagi Air Malaysia. Semoga bertemu lagi dalam penerbangan yang akan datang. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Kota Kinabalu International Airport. Please have the requirement that you remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the first sign is switched off. Do be careful whenever you open the overhead compartment. Kindly ensure you do not leave any personal belongings behind. You may use mobile phone after the start sign is switched off. As reminders, smoking aircraft cabin and elevator is strictly prohibited on behalf of the captain, Hazing Down, and the rest of the crew. We thank you for flying by the Air Malaysia. We look
Part
forward
of the world, that Asian side, you can see always the Air Asia flights. They are quite lot. One of the very budgeted airline.
Saya memang itu yang utama saya dia pilih kat itu yang penting lah.
The forecast is expected rain. The loveliest passage, the bridge. I always love to walk. Yes, we are going into the Kota Kinabalu Airport arrival area. Very interesting information. I'm still in the airport, taken my baggage. The interesting information is surprising. I have to come through the immigration where I'm coming from Malaysia within the domestic. When I checked, based on the 19, it's for everybody, even Malaysian citizen in Kuala Lumpur, when they come down to Kota Kinabalu or one more airports on the other side in the island, so they have to welcome to visit Malaysia 2026 to Asia. Yes, welcome to Kota Kinabalu. I discontinued the subject. In 1963, they made an agreement when they forming the Malaysia, where this section of island, when they joined with the Malay, they made an agreement that they want to protect their own land, influx of people, job, all those subjects. They agreed that there will be a separate their own immigration and border conditions. So, whosoever coming as a domestic flyer or domestic traveler, they have to go through the immigration. So that's a point, even within the domestic, where it's not happening within the mainland, this being island, and it's far, by the way, it's not closer. Okay, so this is the reason. So when you come down to Kota Kinabalu or this part of island where three countries are there, Brunei, Indonesia and Malaysia, within the one island, you have to go through the immigration, okay, as a foreign traveler or like a separate country. Okay, I will wind up here. Let's continue from the hotel. Here the ATM, SIM card, I don't see the SIM card here because I have already SIM card. You can buy always the eSIM online, Yaralo, or I like Yaralo. I now tried other one. Okay, KFC, the full form first time I'm seeing. Normally I see KFC, I don't see KFC here. Okay, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Okay, right. Oh, attention, this is for, I'm going out. Okay. Yes. This is for going out. Okay. Air conditioned section, this is not air conditioned. We're coming, okay. I doubt they will close. Yeah, they are closing. Very good. So that's all. It's an island. The temperature going to be a good temperature with the rain, especially in today, Saturday, Sunday fine, Monday going to be a heavy rain. Okay, before I take a taxi to the city or the hotel, I'm just dipping into the Starbucks for a coffee. It's a clean, very nice. We know Starbucks everywhere in a different environment, the atmosphere, but this one looks different. Okay, right, I just want to show this. And when see them, this area fully for coffee, like cafe area, but everywhere, including the airport and all the location, I see them full of AC. Airport, especially airport flight, I don't know why that much. Thank you. Why that much AC? I'm not sure. Everywhere. Okay. That kills me. Okay, I think I can take it now. I don't know the reason. The other coffee shops are all busy. Chinese coffee area or the shop. Starbucks, very less people. I'm going to have a coffee with mushroom cake. Mushroom Danish, they call it mushroom Danish. Okay, cake normally means sweet. Bread is different. Places to see, like islands, there are some islands you must visit. There's a floating mosque in the city, and there are Filipino market, etc. I will show them all in the upcoming videos. Let's meet in another location. Hello viewers, good afternoon from Kota Kinabalu Holiday Express. We are going to have a room tour of the hotel. It's very beautiful, the nature. See them, the entry. It's very good. The people are different here in the sense they are under Malaysia, but they have their own ethnic group and different. Holiday Inn Express, Kota Kinabalu City Center. From the airport, it's roughly 6 kilometers, very closer, around 10 local currency ringgit, Malaysian ringgit. The thing what I always like in any hotel is the ATM. Yes, I want the ATM machine in the hotel. So you don't need to worry about your conversion rate or any getting scammed by the exchange, etc. So this one I like it a lot. This is a restaurant and breakfast is served here. That's the restaurant. Let me take a possible level of for their cleaning, so I don't want to go there. But reception. Even the express checkout they have, you just come, drop the key and check out. That's something new. For the airline crew also they have a separate check-in. That's nice. Okay, let's go to the room. I'm getting the room in 10th floor. Let's. Okay, what else we can see from here? I can see the sea slightly far. Slightly far, I can see the sea. Here the city. See them? It's a here also we can see the sea on the far end. It's not a simple small city which I was thinking. It's a bigger city and different culture, different people, completely different. I'm very happy to explore such great things. Okay, there is a floating mosque which we are going to see. There are some events in the evening, traditional related events that we will see. And what else we will see? There's a sunset in the beach. It's called some Aru beach. Let's see them that also. Okay, that's a plan. Okay, scan card. That's it. Let's go. Okay. Right. I think I have to insert the card here. Wow. Okay. See there. What else we have? Let's see them. Oh. Very good. Iron box and yeah. Okay, this is a very good one. And there's a mirror here. Okay, that's excellent as well. Hanger, yeah. A laundry facility. And you have locker. Okay, right. You can keep the suitcase here. All right. Coffee, tea, yes, we know this. Everywhere get them. Compliment water bottle, yeah, right. What else we have here? Yeah, TV, a glass, and office kind of small desk. And we have, I got two separate beds. Okay, fine, no issues. Okay, there is a resting chair. No balcony, but resting chair. That's a good thing. Okay. Yes, you have to feel like you are in the balcony and seeing the view. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing it here. Let's see how it looks, the view. Yes, it's the view from the room. Here the Hilton and Sheraton also there. Sheraton, I was seeing it while landing. Okay, Sheraton, Hilton, Holiday Inn Express, all nearby. Okay, that's great. Okay, here another mirror. Let's see the restroom. How they have. It's a very small, compact room, but very good. Here we go. Okay, and you have towels. Okay, tissues. These are all normal everywhere, so nothing special in it. Okay. All right. What we have? We have body wash, shampoo. Here's the dental comb, manicure, shaving kits. Okay, shaving kit. Paste brush. Okay, this should be hand wash. Yes. Body lotion. Should be some. Let me see that. Okay. Body lotion probably. No, shaving. Okay. So let's see. That's the end of our room tour. I think it's fine. That's what I feel, and I'm comfortable on this. Okay, that's the end of our room tour. Have a good day and have a safe travel. If you're coming to Kota Kinabalu, you have option for this hotel. This may help you. See ya. Bye.